If you're looking for a nice cigar case, especially as a gift for cigar lovers, you gotta check this out. It comes in this premium box, and out of it you get a nice protective case for it. And this is how the case looks like. I love how it's made in a premium leather outside with a transparent glass on top. And out of the box, you get a beautiful lighter. This is how the lighter looks like. I love how it comes with a lighter cutter here, like this. It's made in premium material. You want to make sure you fill it with some butane at the bottom. You also get an instruction manual, and this you're gonna use to put some water into the humidifier. Here, this is a humidity gauge, and this is the lighter holder made with leather. You can refill it here at the bottom using one of the gas refill, and you can change the intensity of the flame down here. I love the attention to details in this product. It's beautifully made. I think it's great as a gift for any cigar lover. It's also great for traveling. You can just close it and put in your luggage to protect your cigars. So I can definitely recommend it. It's 3 jets lighter, and it's super powerful.